Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to create a website on Wix, a beginner's guide. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Click on Get Started. So, to be able to create a website on Wix, we need to create an account first. So here, you can choose whether you sign up on the left, where you will put or input your email and password, or just continue with your Google or Facebook. Since I have my Google account already, I will just continue with my Google account. So you can choose here why you are creating a website. So I am creating for myself and then click on continue. The kind of website I'm going to create is clothing. So I will just search up here. By the way, you can choose whatever business you want to create here. Then tap on next. So it's preparing for our dashboard. Let's just have to wait until it finishes. Okay, we need to fill in the questions given here. First, like the name of your store. Then click on next. I will just click on I'm just starting out. Then next, we will have to just choose what kind of products we are going to sell here. So for me, I will go with physical products since my business is going to be like shirts, jackets, etc. Then click on next. I don't have a physical store yet, so I will click on the online store and tap on next. We are ready now to set up our dashboard. So that's it. Our next video would be how to set up your store on Wix. Thanks for watching and until the next one.